Hello mga ka-Fish and Town. My name is Aris Senedosa and I've been fishing for more than 20 years already. Member ako ng maraming fishing group. The oldest would be, I don't know if you know or recall it, but it's way back then, before naging uso pa ang Facebook and even Friendster. It's Filipino Anglers or PhilAng. Doon ako natuto ng iba-ibang technique at doon din ako nakakuha ng ideas on how to use lure sa pag-fishing. Ang fishing methods ko is primarily casting, shore casting, pero I also do bait and weight. I also do bottom fishing, pero most of the time I do shore casting, lure shore casting. Primary target ko is snakeheads. Since yun yung nakahiligan ko, and since I'm in the Laguna, Debay area, yun yung common target species ko. Bakit ako nag-fishing? Kasi aside from I get to be with nature, sobrang nakaka-relax siya. Regardless kung makahuli ako or wala, basta nakakapag-cast ako, I feel the sea breeze, okay na ako doon. It gets me reset sa lahat ng stress sa buhay. Kinda. And for those who will be interested na mag-fishing, ang isa-suggest ko sa inyo is try to watch first yung sa mga post ng mga anglers, para or pwede rin kayong magtanong para alam nyo yung mga gears na gagamitin nyo. So yun lang po. Happy fishing and tight lines.